Hello friends, welcome to our channel Stocks Factor and welcome to the series of tutorials of our product. So in this video we are going to cover the third page or third tab of our dashboard, that is the Nifty stocks weightage and the percentage change from their recent highs or the 52-week highs. So this page is specifically dedicated for Nifty 50 stocks so as to give you the idea about how the trend is going on in the Nifty 50 stocks and what is the weightage in the Nifty. So that's the most important thing to know whenever you want to trade in the Nifty 50 stocks. So let's get started. So as you can see on your screens that there are two tables, one on the left side and one on the right side. So the left side table, that is the Nifty stocks weightage table. This is a static data and this is changed once per month, and you can see we have listed all the 50 stocks of the Nifty and you can see the weightage, market cap and the beta. So let's see that this table provides the list of Nifty 50 stocks and their weightage in Nifty 50. And on the right hand side you can see the heat map which tells you what is the percentage difference of each Nifty 50 stock as compared to their recent 52-week highs. So whatever the 52-week high was, so what is the percentage difference from there? Okay. So as you can see that on the left hand side, the Nifty stocks weightage table, Reliance has the highest weightage in the Nifty with 14% weightage. So you can imagine that if the Reliance moves, how impact it can put on the Nifty 50. And similarly, we have the whole list in the descending order on their weightage, and you can, if I just scroll down, you can see the whole list of the Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, so this is the static data as I mentioned. Now coming to the right hand side, which is the important table for this particular page. So if we see that there are different colors, so let me just explain one by one. So let me start with the top box. As you can see on the top that we have shown the Nifty 50 and the percentage difference from the 52-week high of the Nifty 50. So the percentage mentioned here is minus 8.52%. It means that the Nifty 50 is still 8.52% lower than what was the recent high, 52-week high of Nifty 50. So if you remember around February, the Nifty 50 made a high of around 12,400. So still it is down by 8% or so from the recent 52-week high. Now coming to the Nifty 50 stocks. So we can easily compare the Nifty 50 recent 52-week high or the percentage difference with the individual stocks which come under Nifty 50. Now you can see the red stocks. Those are the stocks which are less than 40% from their 52-week high. So if you see the text here, I have mentioned that if the stock or the index itself is only less than 10% from the 52-week high, it is marked as green. So if it is less than 10%, we have marked it as green. If the percentage difference is between 10 to 40%, then it is marked as cyan color. You can see this color, light color. If the percentage difference is more than 40%, it is marked as red. So you can see that all the stocks which are still 40% lower than their recent 52-week highs. Okay, so these are the stocks. Then comes the stocks which are between 10 to 40%. You can see all these stocks. And then comes the stocks which are only less than 10% from their 52-week highs. So these are the stocks like Reliance, Eicher Motors. So Reliance recently made the 52-week high. So it is around near the 52-week high. So in this way you can make a comparison and you can try to find out which are the underperforming stocks in the Nifty 50 and which are the outperforming stocks in the Nifty 50, and you can reshuffle your portfolio according to that. So with this we come to the conclusion of this video. If you have any questions related to this particular tab, please post your questions on the comment section and we will definitely answer your questions. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.